one can create a dynamic calendar with a list of years and the months from Jan to December, and you can display any date within the month and the year that you have chosen. Let us see how you can do this. Okay, so here are the steps through which you can do it. First, create a list of years to display, preferably in another sheet like we have. So we have a list of years here. This is the one from where we'll create the data validation drop-down list. And create a list of months, January to December, which is what we have here, January to December. And then third step is create a data validation on where you want to display it, like we want to display it here. So we created a data validation. So this is the same where we have the list of years. So you can add as many years as you want to display. Similarly, for the months, again, we have a data validation. And these are the list of all the months that we have. Then the next step is to have the date created, preferably in another cell, where it will be a combination of one, that is the first day of the month that you have chosen, and the year. Okay, and we'll bring the date value of it. So this is what we are doing here. We are using the date value parameter, which will be the date text. So it's a combination of one, that is the first day of the month is May, and the drop down is 2024 from the drop down, okay, the year. Then the next, we will be doing the cell, which is where we'll have the weekday. What does the weekday get you? Weekday will refer to the date value that you had and the return type. The return type is if we are doing it from Monday to Sunday, the calendar. This is Monday to Sunday, so that's why the return type is 2. The return type is the days starting, the week starting from Monday to Sunday. That is why it's 2. If you wanted Sunday through Saturday, then you have to choose 1, and you choose 7. If you okay, for Monday through Sunday it is 2. Okay, so we are using the numeric 2. Once this is done, the next is to create a sequence value. Okay, next step, sequence value on the first cell that you have here. Okay, the sequence will be done in this manner. You have 7 days, okay, and to cover all your dates, okay, possible combinations that you're going to have, you need at least 6 rows. Okay, so that's why you have the 6 rows. So number of rows is 6, columns is 7. So you have 7 columns, 6 rows. Starting is the first day of the month minus how many days that you have, the weekdays that you calculated, plus 1. Okay, so this is your R2 minus U2 plus 1. So which gets you the Wednesday. That means starting from this number. Okay, and over here you need to change the display format of these cells. Go to custom and just display the date D. Okay, don't have anything else, just have the display D. And to improve this a bit further, what we had done is we chose the holiday. We picked it up from the Google. We just copied and pasted, so all the holidays are over here. Okay, so the holidays are marked in red. So how did we do that? We used conditional formatting. So you have different rules here. Okay, so in this case, if it is a holiday, that is, it matches. Okay, so if the cell value matches what we have in this sheet, okay, in our list of calendars C2, if this matches, okay, and if you have the current date, then we want that to be displayed in green. So for that, we have date occurring today. We are going to format it in green. Okay, and the other one that we are going to have is, if the date that we have here, okay, the month does not match with the month that we have on display, that is, let's say in the first week you have 30th and 31st, 29th and 30th of April. Now the April does not match with May, so therefore they will be formatted in color white and it will be filled in white. Okay, so they will not be displayed, basically. That's all we are saying. And in case you want to hide these, you can hide them also. Just do the formatting accordingly, but don't delete them. Keep them in the sheet, maybe in another portion or in the master sheet itself.